Emma and Jake arrive at their friend's house. Their hosts, Laura and Mark, welcome them at the door.
Hey, Emma. Hey, Jake. Welcome to our home. We are so happy to have you here.
Thanks. Your house looks so warm and inviting from the outside. And your front yard looks amazing. The flowers are so colorful.
Oh, thank you. Gardening is actually my hobby. I love taking care of the plants.
It really shows. Do you spend a lot of time in the garden?
Yes, almost every morning. It's so relaxing. But come in. Let's start the tour.
Here, on the coat hooks, you can hang your coats and bags. We also have a small rack for hats.
And we just bought a shoe rack, but we haven't used it yet.
We are still deciding if we'll start using it regularly.
Now, let's go to the living room.
This space is so cozy.
The sofa is super comfy, and we have a fireplace for winter.
The coffee table matches the wooden shelves.
Yes, we wanted everything to match. Oh, and here's our TV. It's a 55-inch screen. We like watching movies here at night.
We also have these two armchairs. They're really soft and perfect for reading or just relaxing.
Over here is the powder room.
It's small but stylish.
This one is just for guests. The big bathroom is upstairs.
It looks very peaceful. Do you work here often?
Yes, I use it to read, and Mark sometimes works on his laptop. The desk has many drawers, and the shelves are full of books.
The lamp on the desk gives such a cozy vibe.
Okay, let's move to the next room.
This is our dining room.
The table is so elegant. I love the cushioned chairs.
We use this room for special occasions. The cabinet in the corner holds our best dishes, and we love setting the table with candles.
Let's move to the kitchen now.
Wow, it looks so modern.
We love cooking, so we made sure to have everything we need: a big fridge with a water dispenser, a built-in microwave, a dishwasher, and an electric oven.
We also have a coffee machine, a toaster, and a blender. Everything is easy to reach because of all the cabinets and drawers.
This kitchen feels so organized. And the island with the bar stools is perfect for quick meals.
Now, let's go upstairs.
This is our primary bedroom.
Oh, it's beautiful. And it looks so spacious.
Yes, and we have our own private bathroom. It makes things so much easier in the morning.
That's really nice. And your walk-in closet looks huge.
It is. We wanted plenty of space. There are shelves, drawers, and lots of hanging space for clothes.
It must be so easy to keep everything organized.
No more fighting over closet space. And this is our ensuite bathroom.
That's so convenient. No need to take turns when getting ready.
Exactly. And we also have a large mirror with good lighting.
I like the modern style.
Thank you. We wanted a clean and relaxing style. And the bathtub is definitely my favorite part.
I can imagine. A hot bath after a long day sounds perfect.
Yes? And we also have a double sink, which is great in the mornings.
It really is. Now, let's go see the guest bedroom.
Wow, the sloped ceiling makes it feel so unique.
Yes, since it's in the attic, it has a cozy and private feel.
I love the skylight. It must bring in so much natural light during the day.
And at night, you can see the stars. It's really beautiful.
The bed looks really comfortable.
We wanted our guests to feel at home. There's also a small desk in case someone needs to work or read.
I would love to stay here.
And this is the baby's room. We've been working hard to make it feel warm and cozy.
Oh, this is adorable. The soft colors and little decorations are so sweet.
The crib looks so comfortable and safe.
Thank you. We chose it carefully. And over here is the changing table. It has lots of storage for diapers, clothes, and baby essentials.
That's really practical. And the rocking chair looks perfect.
It's my favorite spot. I can sit here and relax while rocking the baby to sleep.
This is the shared bathroom upstairs.
It looks really nice. I see you have a shower here.
Yes, we wanted a full bathroom to make things more convenient. The shower is great when we have visitors staying over.
That makes sense.
We kept it simple but functional. Now, let's go to the basement.
This is our basement. We turned it into a rec room.
We have a big TV mounted on the wall, a comfortable couch, and a shelf full of board games. Sometimes we have movie nights here.
That sounds like fun.
And is that a pool table?
Yes, we also have a dartboard and a small fridge for drinks.
Let me show you now the laundry room. Over here is the laundry room. It's small but very practical.
We have a washing machine, a dryer, an ironing board, and a shelf where we keep detergent and fabric softener.
A dedicated laundry space is so convenient.
Now, let's go to the garage.
Wow, it's spacious. I thought there would only be a car.
We park our car here, but we also store our bikes, toolboxes, and extra shelves with car maintenance supplies.
And over there, we have a workbench where Mark fixes things. Over there is our shed.
What do you keep inside?
Mostly garden tools, shovels, a lawnmower, and some outdoor chairs for when we have guests.
We also store our barbecue and boxes with Christmas and Halloween decorations. We spend a lot of time here, especially in the summer. Look, we have a vegetable garden with tomatoes, carrots, and fresh herbs.
That's wonderful. Fresh ingredients must taste so much better.
And this is Lady. She's very playful. Her doghouse is near the wooden bench under the tree. Let's finish the tour on the deck.
This is a very nice place to sit and relax.
Thank you. We love having coffee here in the mornings.
So, that's our house. Do you like it?
It's wonderful. Thanks for showing us around.